And welcome once again. It really is nice to see you and I appreciate your company. Thank you for watching these videos. Anyway, today I'm going to go out to Astrakeri. It's a beach come small harbour where Mrs. Corfual and I used to go out years and years ago to sunbathe when I was younger. And I hope you'll enjoy that. But I will also take a stroll along Corfual, which is quite an important village in the Corfu here, North Corfu, and see what's going on there. But I'll have a chat with you further on into the movie once we get there, because I haven't been to Astrakeri for years and years. It used to be an idyllic beach, about 1 kilometre of sandy beach, very wide, very clean water, nice and shallow. Let's see what they've ruined it with now, because these people who are after money, Greeks and English, destroy. Oops, I can't say that word, can I? Never mind, it'll slip by. Anyway, thank you for watching the video, and I will see you further on in. Thank you. Now, we need to know where the turn-off for Astrakeri is. So you look for the Sunset Taverna, which is over the road there, and about 50 metres just past, up there. There you go, is the turn-off. You turn right there and follow down to the beach. Well, I'm in Astrakeri. This is the parking area. Down there's the harbour. It's gone to pot just a little bit, I'm afraid. Now all of this was a fabulous beach. It's a bit overgrown with shrubs now. We used to come down on a Sunday, and the only people that came here were Greek families with their children. Of course, from the looks of it, there's a load of sunbeds over there. Somewhere. Here's some beds, hundreds of them by the looks of it. They destroy everything with these sunbeds. Money, 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 they're money mad. What a shame. Used to be beautiful here. Look at the seaweed piled up. No one's cleared it. It's disgusting now.
Well, they won't until next summer.
This is where we used to sit along here. What a shame. Look at this. Suddenly neglected. Used to fish in this harbour, catch bass. Not great big ones, just plate size. The fishermen still pull in here with their nets and clean them. Still bundles of nets here. They still catch bass in the harbour here. That used to be a fabulous restaurant called the Three Brothers. They did fish there. I think they've moved up there now. Bit of a dump. Looks like it used to be another restaurant, or still is. Who knows? I'm sure this used to be the Three Brothers. Anyone for a boat trip? Nice old property hidden away there. I wonder if it's for sale. Who knows? Amazing what you can do with these old properties. All derelict. We're mid-October now. Still hot. This is the other end of the Astrakeri. Probably all looks very nice in the summer. There's the harbour over there. And I apologise if I'm a bit shaky. 82 years old now and I find the camera a little bit heavy. Well, this part of the beach is nice and sandy, I've got to say that. Hard old sunbeds, probably €4 or €5 to rent. Ridiculous price. Somebody right up the end of the beach swimming still. Sea's warm, but full of seaweed here. I'll film this again to put a bit of colour into the film. These pedlos are €20 an hour to rent with the slide. If you don't want the slide, it's €15 an hour with a tent. Keep the sun off you. Well, there we are. What was a beautiful place is now a shithole. But I can't say that on the video. I'm so disappointed. It was very, very beautiful here. But I had lots of memories here. Lots of good ones. Shot to pieces. Never mind, that's life. Unusual lights here. I think they're solar street lights. I'm not sure. I'm sure that was a broken down building that's been renovated, not a brand new one. Used to be a restaurant. I'm sure of it, unless my mind is playing tricks. Well, I'm going to try and whiz along to Corfual now.
Cheers.